students, welcome to your and our beautiful channel Maths Lesson. In my last class we have already discussed about the square root by long division and by prime factorization. In this class we will discuss about square root of numbers in decimal form. Square root of numbers in decimal form. Suppose 42.25. I have told you before that at first we make the pair of the number. Before decimal the numbers make pair from right to left, and after decimal make the pair from left to right. Then 42, 5 5 ja 25, 6 6 ja 36, 7 7 ja 49. No, we have to put 6 6 ja 36. Then 6, then the numbers come down with pair, then the numbers come down after decimal, hence we put here decimal point, and this is 625. 6 plus 6 12, here put 5, here put another 5, this is 125. 5 ja 625. Then what is the square root of 42.25? this is 6.5. Then another example, 1.96. I have told you before, make pair like this. Okay. Then 1 1 ja 1. Then 1 plus 1 2. Then after decimal 96. Then put here decimal point. Then 24 4 ja 96. Then what is the square root of 1.96 is equal to 1.4. This is square root of numbers in decimal form. Square root of numbers in decimal form. Solve. Look at here. What is this? Square root. Square root of numbers in decimal form. In decimal form. Okay. Then take another example. 6.4009. Make it pair like this and make it pair like this. Put here 0. Then 2 2 ja 4. 3 3 ja 9. More than 6? No. 2 2 ja 4. Then 2 plus 2 4. Then here 2. Then come down the number after decimal in pair, hence we put here decimal. Then what? 45 5 ja 225. Then here 15. Then come down this number in pair 0 9 like this. Then 5 plus 5 here 50. Then it is 503. 3 ja we get 1509. Then what is the square root of 6.4009? Square root is 2.53. In this way we can find out the square root of numbers in decimal form. Look at here. Find the value of root 2. Correct up to 2 decimal places. Correct up to 2 decimal places. Root 2.0000000 like this. Make it pair. And 1 1 ja 1. Then 1 plus 1 2. This is 1. Then come down the number in pair 100. Then put decimal here 24 4 ja 96. Then here 4 0 0. Then 28. Then 281. 1 ja 281. Correct up to 2 decimal place. Then this is root 2. Square root is approximately 1.41. Next, if we take, then this is 119. Then take 0. Then we get this. Then correct up to 2 decimal. Then what is root 2? Root 2 is 1.41. Okay. Then take more example. Suppose 1.69 square root. Then 1.69, make it pair. Then 1 1 ja 1, 1 plus 1 2, then 69 come down, then 23 point after decimal number, then put decimal here. 23 3 ja 69. Then what is square root of 1.69? Square root of 1.69 is equal to 1.3. Okay. Then take some more example to be clear about it. 8 9. Then make it pair like this. Then 3 3 ja 9. Here 1. 3 plus 3 6. Come down the number in pair. Then this is 104. 6. Put decimal here. Then 61 1 ja 61. Then 3 4. Then 89. 8 and 9 come down. Then 1 add here. This is 62. Then next 7 ja. This is 4 3 8 9. Then what is this result? This is 10.0489 square root. 89 square root is equal to 3.17. In this way we can find out the square root in decimal form. Then square root of fraction. You know very well the identities. Root of AB means root of A into root of B. And square root of A upon B is square root of A and square root of B. Then suppose you have to find out the square root of 441 upon 961. This is means square root of 441 upon square root of 961. Then this is square root of 441. By using long division method you can find out this is 21 and 961 square root 31. Then what is the square root of 441 upon 961? Equal to 21 upon 31. Then suppose you have given a mixed fraction. When you get a mixed fraction, at first convert it into improper. Then can only you find out. This is a mixed fraction. When you convert it into improper, you get this is 225 upon 116 square root. What do you mean by this? This is square root of 225 upon square root of 169. Then by using prime factorization or by using long division, you can find out the square root of 225 is 15 and 169 is 13. Then square root of 1 whole 56 upon 169 is 51 upon 13. Then you convert it into mixed, you can get 1 whole 2 upon 13. Suppose you have to find out the square root of 243 363 like this. Then look at here. Square root of A upon square root of B can be written like this. Then you can write this 243 upon 363. Then cut it with 3. Then you get 81 upon 121 square root. What do you mean by this? This is square root of 81 upon square root of 121. This is 9 upon 11. Okay. Suppose you have given, first we clear it. Suppose you have to find out square root of 45 into square root of 20. This can be written as square root of 45 into 20. What is this? This is square root of 900. Then either by prime factorization or by long division square root of 900 is 30. Suppose you have given find the square root of 2 whole 1 upon 3. I have told you before, when you get a mixed fraction, at first convert it into improper. When you convert it into improper, you get 9 upon 4. This means square root of 9 upon square root of 4. This is 3 upon 2. Hence, if you convert it into mix. What is this? This is 1 whole 1 upon 2. 2 whole 1 upon 4 square root is equal to 1 whole 1 upon 2. Then solve more examples. Suppose you have to find out the square root of 288 upon 128. Then take it square root outside and put it like this. And convert it into lowest term. When you convert it into lowest term, it can be divided by 32. Then you get 9 upon 4 square root. Convert it into lowest term, cut it by 32. 32 4 ja, 32 9 ja. Then this it can be written as root 9 upon root 4. This is 3 upon 2. Then convert it into mixed. This is 1 whole 1 upon 2. Okay. Then take another more examples. Take some higher questions of Olympiad level. Suppose you have to find out the square root of 0.9 into square root of 1.6. This can be written like this: 1.6 into 0.9. What is this? If you multiply this, you get 1.44 square root. Then by the division, you can find out the square root. This is 1.2. Just recall this. Make it pair. 1 1 ja 1. 1 plus 1 2. Then come down the number 44. This is 22.44. Then you get this. Then solve more examples in Olympiad level. Suppose you have given a rectangle of side 80 meter and 18 meter width. You have to find out the hypotenuse, length of the diagonal. Recall Pythagoras theorem. H square is equal to P square plus B square. H equal to square root of P square plus B square. Here what is perpendicular? 18, and what is base? 80. Then 18 square plus 40 square root. Then what is 18 square? 324 plus 6400. Then we square root this. Then this is 6724 square root. Then by long division method, you can find out 6484 square root is 82. Then what is the length of the diagonal? Length of the diagonal is 82 meter. Okay, next. Solve another higher level questions. Suppose you have given 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus in this way infinite. Let you have to find out the value, means between which number this lies. Let x equal to 1 plus square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus square root of 1. Okay, 1 plus this. Then x equal to, this is also x, 1 plus x square root. You can write like this. Then squaring both sides, you get x square equal to 1 plus x. Then x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Then by recall the polynomial, how can you find out the zero of the polynomials. By Sridharacharya formula, you know very well what is x equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These are the zero of a quadratic polynomial. Then here what is a? A is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, 1, c is the constant. By applying this, you can find out the square root. The value of x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 5, sorry, x equal to minus 1, here b is minus 1, minus of minus plus 1 plus or minus b square minus 4ac, minus 1 whole square minus 4ac is equal to 5 upon 2. Then what is this? This is 1 plus or minus root 5 upon 2. Means this is lies between 1 and 2. This is the number, this is a irrational number which lies between 1 and 2. Today this much. In my next class we will discuss about cube and cube root. Like, share, subscribe and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos.